think we'll stay in the Gospel of Mark today, chapter 9, verse 33. There's a pretty good question. What were you arguing about on the road? Now, it's easy to get into an argument, especially with other believers, over doctrine and biblical interpretation. In this case, Jesus asked this question because they were arguing over whose ministry was most significant. Now, Jesus confronted them about this because arguing is the exact opposite of how he wants his followers to behave toward and with one another. Now, are you prone to arguing with others? Do you have to win every debate you have? Do you spend more time talking than listening, trying to state and restate your position rather than grasping that of another? Now, let's go to Titus chapter 3, just a couple of verses, starting verse 9, says, "But avoid foolish controversies and genealogies and arguments and quarrels about the law, because these are unprofitable and useless. Warn a divisive person once, and then warn them a second time. After that, have nothing to do with them. You may be sure that such people are warped and sinful. They are self-condemned." Now, if you read that, you see how Paul directed the church to handle someone who was argumentative and divisive. Sounds pretty harsh. Make sure that label of being argumentative isn't ever used to describe you. Well, that's it for today. We covered a lot of ground, but come on back tomorrow, and I'm pretty sure we'll do it all over again.